Good evening, all. Today I am going to discuss about topic oil spill. Oil spill is the release of liquid petroleum hydrocarbon into the environment, or especially into marine ecosystem due to human activity. Usually, the term is given to marine oil spill, where oil is released into the ocean or coastal waters, but spills may also occur on land. Now we are going to discuss about what are the causes of oil spill. Oil spill may be due to release of crude oil from tankers, offshore platforms, drilling rigs and wells. The spills of refined petroleum products such as gasoline, diesel and their byproduct, heavier fuels used by large ships, etc. may also cause oil spill. What is actually happening in oil spill? Actually, crude oil is a mixture of various compounds such as poisonous benzene, toluene, heavier sticky tars, etc. Up to two-thirds of oil spill can evaporate in first few days itself, but within this small time limit, the spill may seriously affect the animal populations and environment related to the sea shore. They kill fish and animal life and harm future generations also, which is a very serious issue. The thick oil also washes ashore, creating reservoirs of toxic chemicals on the beaches. Human impact. An oil spill represents an immediate fire hazard. In these slides, I'm going to point out some of the examples of oil spill. First one is Kuwaiti oil fires, which was occurred in January 1991 to April 1991, which produced air pollution that caused respiratory distress. Spilled oil can also contaminate drinking water supplies. For example, in 2013, two different oil spill contaminated water supplies for 3 lakh people in Malaysia, 80,000 people in Ecuador. Contamination can have an economic impact on tourism and marine resource extraction industries. What are the environmental effects of oil spill? Spilled oil can affect animals and plants in two ways: direct from the oil and from the response or cleanup process. In the case of birds, the oil from the oil spill penetrates into the plumage of birds, and in the case of mammals, it penetrates into the fur of mammals, which may reduce the insulating ability of these animals, making them vulnerable to temperature fluctuations and much less buoyant in the water. Oil spills are also dangerous to all the shore-based and near-shore communities such as crabs, lobsters, fishes, seabirds, etc. Methane and ethane of crude oil cause suffocation in marine animals. Sulfur compounds such as thiophene damage kidney and liver. Marine oil pollution is harmful to human beings also. Not only it affects animals and birds, it also harmful to human beings also. Some kind of paraffin causes acute suffocation, while others act as depressants of nervous system in human beings. A badly oiled shore eventually become denuded of animal life, which means that the animal population of a badly oiled shore become eventually very minimum. The pollution caused by oil spill may adversely affect gas exchange between atmospheric air and seawater by serving as a diffusion barrier. So, this in turn causes high carbon dioxide concentration in seawater, which is another serious issue. How can we clean up oil spill? Actually, it is a difficult task. It may take weeks, months, or even years to clean up. Currently, oil-eating bacteria, which are examples Pseudomonas species. Some kind of oil-eating bacteria are employed to combat oil pollution. So they are found in oil-rich areas of soil and water. They can be deployed to remove oil pollutants, which is an effective method. Controlled burning is another method which may effectively reduce the amount of oil in water if done properly. Controlled burning is another method, but it can be done in low wind and can cause air pollution. How can we prevent oil spill? One method known as double hulling. Build double hulls into vessels, which reduce the risk and severity of a spill in case of a collision or grounding. Another method is secondary containment method to prevent release of oil or hydrocarbons into the environment. Oil Spill Prevention Control and Countermeasures (SPCC) program by the United States Environmental Protection Agency is another preventive measure against oil spill. So these all about oil spill. Hope all of you get an idea about oil spill. In this presentation, I discussed about the definition of oil spill, the causes of oil spill, and what is actually happening in oil spill, and human impact by discussing or by pointing out the examples of some historic oil fires and the environmental effect of oil spill, cleanup and recovery of oil spill, and at last, preventive methods or preventive measures of oil spill. Thank you. Have a nice day.